The CDC estimates that 48 million Americans get sick each year, and that 128,000 people are hospitalized from foodborne illnesses. Food manufacturers need to ensure that their products comply with regulatory requirements and are safe for consumption. The Lyco Chill Flow is the fastest pouch cooling system to get your product through the danger zone of 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Hello, I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco Manufacturing. Lyco has been a recognized leader in the food industry for over 4 decades. Our systems are proven, and we have over 35 years of experience and over 80 systems chilling, starting with our first unit in 1989. Behind me, we are shipping another state-of-the-art Chill Flow pouch cooler system for chilling hot-filled sauces. This unit is high capacity and runs 5,000 pounds per hour. All pouch processes are tested and proven in our 10,000 square foot testing facility. We use data traces to log heating and cooling times, which ensures machines are sized for proper retention times and throughputs. So if you have any pouch cooling or pasteurizing needs or need any additional information, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.